What's good, people? This is the morning of October the 15th, 2021. The Packers are coming in about an hour and a half, so we're kind of just tightening up everything right now. Everything that we need to keep, we're keeping in our bedroom so they don't touch it. But everything else, we're kind of taking all the pictures down. We're taking all the nails and the screws out of the walls. So we're trying to make their job easy for us as well. So hopefully everything goes as smooth as possible. Hopefully they're in, they're out, they do what they need to do. No issues. That's what I'm praying for. No issues.
We got some of the coolest movers that we had so far. They from Maryland and then Memphis. I like it. I like it.
Dishes over there, they can go too. On this table, really all the decorative dishes.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Everything finally happening.
Downstairs is just about packed up. We're in the living room right now. We're doing the dining room area and the kitchen. So, like I said, we've been laughing and joking with the movers. They're real cool, but they're getting the job done though. Michaela is already tired. She's already sleepy.
So the moves are about probably halfway done. We got a good group this time. The last group, they was kind of suspect, but they're really cool. They've been doing all of downstairs right now. They've just come upstairs to the Army/guest room, and they're packing everything up. It's a 2-day pack, but we have everything kind of neatly packed already. Plus, we don't have that much stuff, so they're trying hard to see if they can pack everything in one day. So hopefully they can pack everything in one day and possibly ship all of our stuff a day earlier. But we gonna wait and see. We gonna wait and see.
Y'all work real fast. I like it.
Y'all be safe. All right.
Thank y'all.
Hope you guys enjoy your ride.
Yeah, all right.
So the Packers were super cool. They got here at like 10 o'clock. They just left. It's 4:00 p.m. This was initially supposed to be a 2-day pack. They finished it all in like 6 hours. I couldn't be happier. So the very next step is now the movers are scheduled to come on Tuesday to come and pick up everything and ship it all off to Hawaii. But let's just fast forward it until then.
So the movers have just arrived. It is 10:55. Today's the day. Today's the day. We're wrapping up everything right now, and it's gonna fly by. What you think?
It's already flying by. It's 11 o'clock now.
It's already 11 o'clock. They've been here for about maybe 30 minutes.
Yeah, they're doing a great job.
They're doing a great job. So,
because at first it was only 3 people, and now it's what?
it's like 5. Yeah. Yeah.
But just the 3 people, they did very well.
Stay tuned. We're gonna keep you updated, keep you abreast of everything.
So it is 12:30 p.m.
October 19th, and they are completely finished with our house. They got here at 10 o'clock. It is 12:30 and they are done. Like upstairs, downstairs, done. I can't believe how fast they worked. Now we have to get all of our stuff, take it to the hotel right across the street. One step closer. So it is 1:40. The house is completely empty. The movers have taken everything. It's on the way to Hawaii as we speak. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm ready to be there. I'm ready to see our new house and just get settled in, see the water.
Absolutely. We're just gonna walk through, make sure everything is good to go, make sure everything's clean. We've only been here for, you know, a few months, so everything is good. Hand over the keys, and then the next step, Hawaii.